Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see how to draw isometric projection of a hexagonal pyramid having its base edge 40 and axis height 70, resting on its base, keeping two of its base side parallel to VP. See, keeping two sides parallel to VP, and it is resting on its base, right? So this side will be horizontal, it will be parallel to VP, and it will be like this. See, these two sides are parallel to VP. 2, right? So when we draw, see, first we will draw isometric scale. We are drawing isometric projection for hexagonal pyramid. Over here, length is 70, maximum length is 70, so I'll mark 70 millimeter, and then I will take 30 degree and I will draw vertical line from here. These angles are 30 and 45, and remember we have to take dimensions from 30 degree. Okay, after this we'll take 40 and we'll draw hexagon. So then you convert hexagon into a box, 1, 2, 3, 4, and write hexagon as A, B, C, D, E. After this we'll draw box where we'll mark 1, 2, 3, 4. See this, we'll take 1 to 2. And we'll cut over here. We'll take 1 to 4 and we'll cut from here. This is 1, 2, 4. Then we'll take height. We can draw this box because we are going to draw hexagon at the bottom. So that's why it is 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom, and then you can take axis up. Or if you want, you can draw the box also. Whatever suits you. At times few teachers they insist on drawing the full box, so you can draw this box. So we got this box 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll take 2 to B, which is same as 1 to A. So we'll cut from 2 and we'll cut from 1. Same way we'll take 1 to F, we'll cut from 1, we'll take 1 to F and 2 to C, then we'll take 3 to D, we'll cut from 3 and 4 to E. So this way we can draw hexagon. And after that we'll mark center point and we'll mark distance M and N. So all of you know how to mark point M and N. So you'll get axis, this is optional. If you want to draw all the edges, then you can draw, or you can let it be. Now see, we got point M. From there we'll go up by height, which is axis. So we'll get point O, and then we'll join point O to A, B, C, D, E. And in that we need to remember which one will be dark, which one will be dotted. So always remember the extreme boundary will be dark. See this, all these lines will be dark because those are extreme boundaries, and A and F and B also will be dark, O to B, O to A, O to F, because that we can see. The one which we can't see is point D. So O to D is dotted. Observer will see from here. So I hope everyone understood this sum. Thank you.